This is how you bake ambient occlusion in Blender. So I'm just gonna create a little model here. Nothing special. Doesn't matter. Something like that. Obviously, you will have to unwrap it. So let's just do something like this, maybe. Over in the UV editing tab, I can just unwrap that model. Looks horrible. Doesn't matter. Let's try and... Yeah, doesn't matter. You can do a better job of that. And then from here, you can just open a little new window up here. Choose the shading editor. First of all, switch to cycles, because what the hell is even Eevee? Then go to materials, assign a new material, call it whatever. And you will notice that a new node setup has popped up. From here, all you have to do is create a new texture, call it AO, choose whatever resolution you want, click OK. You will see that your UV is still here. And then Shift A, texture, image texture, and in this little icon you choose your ambient occlusion. And technically you don't even have to connect it, but I like to connect it so I can see what the result is. And then you head over to this little camera icon. Cycles is selected. Go to Bake, and then choose Ambient Occlusion. And I like to put the render sampling to something super low at first, so like 10, just to see that everything's working. So for example, if you have a physics mesh for some reason, but you got it hidden, like this, and then you do a bake of this object. If we go to material preview, you will see that something's wrong. So like, what the hell is going on? And you will notice that it's the physics object blocking it, or whatever other object that might be hidden. So that's why I like to put it on 10 first, just so I see everything's working, and then maybe put it to like 5 to 10, something higher. It's gonna take a while. Probably best to choose GPU as well, because that makes things work better. Hit bake. I'm gonna make it slower now, lower, so it doesn't take as much time. And depending on how big you made this image, this is 1024 by 1024 at the moment, it will take longer. And this is your ambient occlusion. You can save it to wherever you want. Obviously this is a super easy model. There's nothing special about this mesh, so we don't see too many interesting things happening in the ambient occlusion. But that's how that works.